during LOPC. PC. Sorry. So there was one recommendation. We highlighted our recommendation was identified to assess morning man, assess the existing QRA to assess, to address the IRPA to the instruction PEOP LE and provide suitable controls, COD controls, if any. All the construction people will be provided with a gadget, right? A personal gadget will be here as well while working at site. Very good. So we are happy. Risk across the construction, yes. Yeah, this is very important. Road safety and vehicular movement during
slash machineries.
Yeah, slash machinery, okay. Slash machinery movement during excavation and